What's going on, everybody? Pro Trader Mike, founder of the Mojo. Hope everyone having a great day today, because we did in the Mojo Day Trading room, and it's the bull Corona versus the virus bear. The coronavirus. Who's gonna win? What's going on with the Corona? Yeah, you're all set, Challenger. Got it. Sent up. All set. Let's see what we got in the Mojo room. Hey, guys. Oh, we got someone here. STK Surfer, new guy. So, yeah, man, it's been a really nice day. We got the day trading platform all running and going. What's the best way to ask your questions for the classes? Yeah, here. Not during my show. It just started. Yeah, thank you so much, though. Appreciate it. Absolutely. Love always doing customer service throughout the day, helping everybody. That's what I do, but not really during my Mojo show. You know what I'm saying? So here's what we got going on today, guys, with the stock market. Things are really even moving on my screen. We're in the stock called TDoc right here. Teladoc. This is the telephone medicine company that Trump's talking about. Okay. So that's not working in the room, guys. The stock charts hasn't been working all day. So I think my voice should be pretty good. Yep, sounds good to me too. So we got this guy Biz in the room. Who are you? Hello. Welcome to the Mojo Day Trade room, dude. Nice to meet you. I don't know who you are. Somebody. Yeah, the room's awesome. What's up, Biz? Nice to meet you. I just sent you a message. We're in Teladoc right now. TDOC. TDOC. You want to see the trade? Check this out. So we're in the stock called Teladoc. I unlocked you guys in the demos, by the way. JDST, there is no targets, guys. If I said yesterday, look, the other day Weebs rode JDST to 30 bucks. If yesterday you said, Mike, what do you think of it at 15? It's half the price it was. It's gone down 100%. Because from 15 to 30 is 100%. For some 30 down to 15, you got a 100% move. So it's $7 right now. Pfft, are you kidding me? I have no idea. You asked me if it's going to be $7 tomorrow. I would have bet $500,000 that it wouldn't. Would have lost that bet. So we had some guys come to the room today. Teladoc right here at 117. You can see the pick. It's 117.30. I'll show you the candle right here. So this is where we just got Teladoc, guys, right here. You can see this last two candles. This was entry number 1. The bottom was entry 2. That first green candle was entry 3. Exactly right there. So that was 1. And then you had your 2, 3 on the way up. So there's the Mojo. That's a happy face, boys, because that's a great trade. Okay, that's a beautiful trade. Now this went like this on the stochastics. Right here. So we're at 80% right now. We're riding this up from 120 to wherever it goes. And right now it's 123. So Teladoc, beautiful buy for the Mojo at 123. Now, see, 123. I sent you a message. What are you looking to accomplish, Biz? Answer my message. I got to find out what kind of trader you are. Are you over the PDT rule? You under the PDT rule? What are you doing? So I like the Teladoc right there. It was a great trade. Roku was fantastic all day. You know, there's thousands of stocks to trade, guys. Thousands, you know? Thousands. You know, when you're fighting in a war and you're the Marvel heroes, the Hulk, and you go into battle against into the war. The Hulk only battles a couple of people. He doesn't battle everybody. The other guys are battling who they want, you know? Everyone battles their own. There's thousands of stocks in the market. Which one are you going to battle today? I picked two to battle. Roku and Tesla. I like Roku because everyone's going to be staying at home, doing subscriptions. Dude, my daughter's coming home from college for 5 months. I'm going out of my mind. My son's in the other room playing Fortnite. He's going to be freaking, how's that doing anything? Gosh, oh my, no. No one feels bad for Mojo.
I'm so sorry. I apologize.
No, you don't. All right, let's check out what's going on right here. So we nailed 915 Tesla, TSLA, to go through 440. First trade, 440 right there, through 441 to 450. See it? I love it right there. Look. And then Teledoc, my first trade of the day at 116 to 118 to go through 121. Love Teledoc. Great move right there at the open. Market was up 275 at the open. Then we did WTRH, sold it at 102 for a nice Heinz. Then we nailed this mRNA through $30. mRNA, beautiful pick today, mRNA. And we traded, that was the third stock we traded today. And it went a high of 32. 32 after that. 3 points. You see the high 29.80. Then we went long this SVXY in conjunction opposite of the UVXY. It's my new fave now. It's my new fave. That's called favorite, which is now a high of 29.93. Is 29.16. Pretty much at the same price it was this morning. Then we got the SVXY there. And this was the beautiful move on Tesla to 444. And then Roku right now for the first time. I loved the Roku today, guys. So I liked Roku. I really did. Stayed on it at 59 to go through 60. High today, 75. Look at this move on Tesla. I mean on Roku that I picked. So you guys got this beautiful move right here. Mojo picks it right here up in rail grind on the chairlift right here in rail grind. Beautiful move. Sold some there. Beautiful move. Beautiful move. Sold the rest right there. So this was the top right there. That was the top. And this was the pick right here. So the pick right there was $65 into 70. You know what I'm saying? That is the beautiful pick. And look at what that thing ran. I stayed on it. I stayed on it because I knew 59.60 was the pull. So it was a 15-point winner. Guys made a lot of cake. A lot of cake in the room. Now, guys, the purpose of this is Pro Trader Mike's picture in my room. You're paying a subscription. You're doing the coaching. You're in the demo. You're trading your own thing. We want to trade together on the same stocks. You know, I don't want to be trading Roku and, you're throwing Walmart out at me. Yeah, what about Target, Disney, ACOM, Lamb Research? I could look up on the TV right now and see 90 other ones. But just focus, guys. Focus on what we got going on. This guy's got a question during my show. Sunbiz. Oh, he's the new guy. Hi, Pro Trader Mike. Thanks for reaching out. I've been on and off trading for 10 years, a little basic options, but mostly stock. I'm tired of speculative trading. I want to get into small caps like you do in your trading room. I'm looking to be more focused and on generate positive net income as I can use this right now. There you go. That's exactly what I've been saying. That's exactly what I've been saying. Exactly. Are you above the PDT rule so you can trade as many times as you want during the day? Not, we got to get that situated, man. Hey, Gavin, what's up? Gavin's new to the room, dude. Hey, Gavin, look, going in for the Eagle, bro. I like that. Gavin's new to the room, like you. Yeah, it's St. Patty's Day. It's the first time in 200 years that St. Patty's Day hasn't been celebrated, guys. Can you believe that? Amazing. We will make green in honor of that today. There's the WTRH swing pick, up 63% today. And here's the pick. So I picked it at 32 cents on 3/15 Monday, Sunday Mojo Night Swing Newsletter pick on WTRH. I don't even have to read this. Let me just go through the circles. A loss of 269 and a loss of $4 to a loss of 95 cents. That's a 400% increase. They have 4 quarters of good earnings. So that's the C and the A part of the formula. The N, the new, is they provide online food ordering for everyone in the United States. So that's pretty new. You need that. That's the new thing that just came up. New thing. New increase in huge volume, 1,600, 169% increase in volume. The shares outstanding, 76 million. Funds own 57%. It is a leader with a group relative ranking of A. So it's got the C, the A, the N, the S, the L, the I for institutional sponsorship at 50%. The market momentum, the M, is crazy because we're in the Corona land. So this was a great pick at 32 cents, was sold today at $1.05. That's 300% gain, guys. Mojo swing pick number 2. See that? That's what I'm talking. Those are the picks that this guy needs, man. You need to get 1,000, 2,000, 5,000 shares of those stocks. There you go, 92, 93. You're going to get 100,000 shares going through $1. And then I'm going to sell it at $1 and change. That was Myrna going through 30 for the first. Look at the signal at 30 right here. The huge ass going to go right through. I painted it right there. Beautiful. Tesla, there's the Tesla pick right there. Beautiful. Alan made cake on the Tesla. 442 to 444 and higher. Beautiful move up on that Tesla. A Roku sweet. Really sweet. Look what happened to the Roku from 58. Okay. This is where we got it right there on that Roku. Okay. Look. 1. This was the first buy. So if you're going to trade, you want to catch this bottom right here. 100 shares. Then, see this one? 200. Now, actually, it's this. It's 100 here. It wicked up 200. This bar, 700. So you long 1,000 shares right there. You sell a quarter here. You sell half here. And raise the trail stop here to the quarter where you sold it. Then it goes up higher. You sell 3 quarters here. You're not going to catch the ultimate top and the ultimate bottom. You sell 3 quarters there. You raise the trail stop to there. And then you see how it goes higher. So the most you can ever see it, if it reverses, you'll be out right here. See that? We went up from this box to that box. So quarter, half, 3 quarters. Out. Don't let it reverse. The lowest you can get out is right there. Mojo rock and rolls. Stock, that's 62. Stock's at 72. Went up 10 more points than that. We traded it more, though. And that's how we rock and roll. You had a couple shares and 2 and change. Yeah, you think market down. I don't know what the market's going to do, freezy freeze. NV low volume pump? Yeah, I'm sure. OPGN still in play? I'm not sure. I'll check it out for you. Option 323. It looks pretty good on the 2-minute. Yeah, man, I like the stock OPGN. Should make a return back up to that high one day. Absolutely. So we made a nice trade on that Roku. See that? Roku. And then Teladoc, we nailed 117. Here it goes. 118, 119, 120, 120, 120. IFMK swing picks up 117% and climbing. There goes Roku, dude. NIFMK. Big picks in the Mojo room. Mike thinks it's 6. So do I. Yeah, for some reason the stock thing's not working today. I don't know why. You guys have the capability, if someone throws a crazy, nasty message in there, to right-click here and delete it. Any of you master traders and any of you pro traders. Anything happens with like any of these guys that are down here, and they'll all be kicked if they don't join today. Leonard, Sunbiz, you've all been marked for deletion. Anyone on the bottom, wannabe. So these guys right here, see, I already sent him 2 messages. So his time is up. His room's gone. Like, dude, I went to put an order in at the dispensary, you know, for a pickup, and they gave it away. Dude, because I didn't come there in time. You know what I'm saying? It's the same thing, dude. Swinger Man, too. He didn't answer me, too. I sent him 3 messages. So both of those guys are gone. Dude, your orders were given away. Sucks. Gymnasium, I sent many times a message. He never answered. This guy, too. Kakai never answered. And MW. Let's see him. Yeah, 10:30 this morning. So he had his free pass. I hope he liked it for the day. He's gone. He never answered me back either. And then Leonard was yesterday. I hope you enjoyed your free day. I gave him the thing. Hope you like your free day. Peace. You take care now. Nice to meet you. Wouldn't want to be you. Nice to meet you. Wouldn't want to be you. Leonard. So you're gone. And then we got Sunbiz left, and he's listening to me right now, so he's got to make his decision, what he wants to do, and I got to find out if he's over the PDT rule or not. And then we can make a decision. He's not answering him if he's above the PDT. That means, do you have 25,000 to trade? I'm only over 10. If he doesn't know what it is, it's not really that good. So we're going to make some green today, guys. Myrna made a big move. Let's scroll down a little bit. Played some Billy Joel this morning. Some Beastie Boys. Played some Beastie this morning. GLBS looks great right there. Global Marine, GLBS right there. It's up 102%. Every day there's a Mojo swing pick that's up 100%.
That's awesome! That's awesome! Yeah, awesome sauce! Awesome! That's awesomely sweet! Stupendously sweet! Totally sweet! Sweet!
That's right, baby. Those picks are beautiful. We traded Tilray unsuccessfully, though. JDST, can you believe it's down to 615? It's now at like 7 or something. But, guys, I just want to show you this right here. Guys ask me all the time what this means. It FOFL. So this is what FOFL means. Let me just open this up. Nice, it worked. I can't believe it. The picture I took worked. Oh, I got a couple messages. So FOFL means to fold the trade, guys. It's a funny acronym that was made after the HODL, HODL, which means to hold Bitcoin. That term was made in error by a drunk blogger who misspelled the word hold and published the article. Isn't that funny? So he was drunk. He wanted to hold his Bitcoin. Instead, he misspelled hold and put it as HODL. And that's why you hear that word, HODL, HODL. It was made in error by a drunk blogger who misspelled the word hold and published the article. It became famous and a term used in the crypto space. So I thought it would be cute to make one for our chat room for stocks when I don't like them. I typed so fast one day, I typed FOFL and not fold, so it stuck. So it means to fold the stock. We don't like it. That's what I like. So let's see what we got here on the main screen. What does this mean exactly? The PDT rule? I'll show you. I don't have a PD restriction, fortunately. Looking to profit on a small caps with a talent for your large name. Thanks for your hard work and call outs. If I don't see the messages because I'm at work. Oh, thank you, man. Thanks, Deminder. Finally got you in here, dude. After a lot of messages and a lot of time. Glad I got you in. Excellent day. So what that is right there is if you come here to the Mojo room and you go pound PDT, it should give you some. So let's just scroll ahead and see what we did for later in the day. So it's 10:30, guys. Here's Roku doing great. Everyone, there's hundreds of good candidates, but we're not trading anything but Roku and Tesla today, as I must keep on track and not all over the place. Stay with what works and follow me. It's okay not to be in a trade. Everyone thinks I got to be in a trade all day. You don't have to be. Alan calls 428 on Tesla. It's 436 now. What does this say? I never trade more than one or two stocks. Focus, big profits, guys. That's Alan. See that? Never trades more than one or two stocks. Me too. So you got to focus. We're scalpers, guys. The best trades happen in 10 minutes time. So if you're in something like this guy, if it's not working in 5 minutes, dump it. Don't marry anything. How many times a day do you get in and out of the same stock? Whatever I do, he just listens to me. We're scalpers. The best trades happen in 10 minutes time, guys. Damn, wipe that poop off your platform if you've been in it longer than 10 minutes and it's losing. Let me see who's in the demo right now, and he's in a winning. He's in a up 20 cents and $80 on that stock right there. Box. Trader bought that one right there. Nice job. In the demo, he's up 20 cents on Box. Box is in the swing. So it doesn't mean falling on the floor. It means fold. So now we're going to kick ass for the day. Alan Fonte, 779. Alan, 2903 from the 3776 yesterday. I can't believe I remember that number. 262, Steve. $581, Wally, free fall of break even, and cash, 127 on the demo. Mar, 961. And we take lunch at 11:30, 12 o'clock. Roku going through 69. Beautiful. Teladoc up $10. Trump speaking about Teladoc. We get in, goes up $10. Done for the day. Batman, 778. Roku's just insane. And here's my pick on the futures and my futures pick on the Wall Street 30 right here. Look at this pick. Picked it here last night, and it hasn't stopped. That's what I told you about that guy, Patrick Weiland. When you do a futures trade at 10 o'clock at night, you close it, and then you go to bed. The system doesn't allow you to put a sell stop in, okay? And then manually put a sell order in. It'll alert you, letting you know you have an open order. It won't let you do it. Can't leave an open order on the sell stop at the same time as the other one. Showed you that yesterday. So can't wait to see their next videos. So here's some great picks in the Mojo room. Tesla went from 4:15 in the morning right here, in the morning at open right here. This is where we traded it. This is $400 for the Heinz, 400. And this right here is 460. So this is 60 points in Tesla that we got today. That was that great one. And the one underneath that should be Roku. And this is what we got on Roku today. Heinz 59.60 right here. So this is 60. And this here is 72. 12 points straight up. Chairlift right here. Into rail grind half. Trade's over. Great job. Dow's up over 1,000, yeah. And this is AAL that we're in. We have American Airlines also. We only have one airline. I don't care about Delta, Royal Caribbean, UAL, DAL, SMEAL. I'm in one airline, AAL. That's it. It went from 1475 through 15 up to 1750. Three-pointer on AAL today. So if you like American Airlines and trading that kind of stock, that's the one I like because it's the best price. $16 stock, trading 46 million shares in the day with a range from 14.79 to 18.49, a $4 range. Give me a break. That's magnificent, man. This is a trader's dream right here. Trader's dream right there. Absolutely. Oh, it's breaking up my video. Let me start it over. Breaking up my video. Da 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 da. Da da da. That's what happens when you run 9 programs on your computer at one time. 9. Gets bogged down a little bit. You sold too soon, but it's all good. Everything's good. As long as you don't ever hit the top, you never hit the bottom, guys. Oh, let me fix this page. So this page right here, guys. See this? At the end, my videos pop up right there. Best one you've ever seen. Absolutely. And the other ones, am I subscribed? You got to jump all over that. Told you not to panic in OPK. You see OPK running, guys? See, I told you not to panic, right? I said, dude, when a stock can jump 100% like that in a minute on any kind of news, you don't want to panic out of it. See, now it's running. I had this conversation with Guru right here. So this is the conversation I had. He says right here, he says, are people supposed to be out of OPK for the swing? I said, dude, it's only down 6%. It's a normal fluctuation. Nobody's concerned. Volume completely died. I'm just wondering. So my answer is, have you watched the video on how the newsletter even works and the rules? And he didn't read the rules. He didn't. I've asked him again, have you watched the video on how the newsletter works and the rules? And he said, no, I need to watch the video. I would say so. Here's the video. I bet he still hasn't watched it. OPK is down 10% from his entry at 186. Well, now it's 182. You're up now. What are you going to do? Okay, that's my point. Okay, so what? Watch the video. These stocks go up 100% fast. So 10% you think is troubling? You're playing OPK for a cure of the coronavirus. If you can't stomach that, then sell it here for a loss and move on. It's not 10% I'm worried with. It's the lack of volume. I'm watching your video. Dude, it's traded 13 million shares. Is that not a lot for you? What's wrong with the volume? I can't do this. I'm sorry. Read the rules. You never did. This exercise is meaningless. How can you get a new car and not look at the manual? Not watching the video costed you money. And there you go. There's your spike. Because nobody listens to the Mojo. Everyone's smarter than the Mojo, dude. Everyone knows more than the Mojo. Well, OPK just got a deal for New York testing. There you go, guys. I told you. Told you. Here's OPK. Let's see the news. The news on OPK. So I don't see no news out on it. On Yahoo, there's no news, but it is flying up. So there's no current press release on it. Let's see if there's refresh the page. Nope. So let's go press releases. 4 days ago, 6 days ago. Let's go into conversation. See this tab up here? Due to bombardment of instant news, investors seem to think they're going to get information about a company's performance instantly, which is faster than Matt. Nope. 2 hours ago, OPK Labs, all throughout New York States, in most New York, here it is, right here. OPK Labs, all through the New York States, and most important, New York City itself. A lot of bankers will go there for testing, right here. Bioreference laboratories, find the thing if you've been exposed. OPK Health soared 30% amidst the crisis. Yeah, I'm a bull of it. So there you go, guys. OPK Bio Laboratories to commit 5,000 New Yorkers each day. Just came out, and my guy helped me out in the room with that Pro Trader pick right there. OPKO's Health Laboratories commits to 5,000 New Yorkers each day. Okay. Well, hopefully that many won't have it, man. That's a lot of people. It's a lot of people with that corona. So it's doing nice, dude. It's coming out with news all over. Told you. Here it is. News again. Bioreference OPK Laboratories Health Company today announced a collaboration with New York City Hospital and hospital to provide coronavirus COVID testing in the largest public healthcare system in the nation, with more than 1 million New Yorkers annually in 70 patient care locations. Mojo hit another winner, dude. OPK, baby. You're not a PDT, so how do you most trades I do in day and class? Well, PDT rule, you can only do 3 a week. With 25,000 plus in equity to be a pattern day trader. Do you even know what a pattern day trader is? Do you even know what it is? Pattern day trader? 180 on OpGo. Here it goes. I'd add more, guys, on that sucker. Right here. So pattern day trader right here, guy. And check that out. Right there. Pattern day trader is a regulatory designation for traders, and they can't execute more than 4 trades in a 5 business day. You need more than 25,000 in the cash account in order to do that. So let me know how you do that. How you make trades every single day and close them without more than 25 grand. Unless you're international or Canada, then there is no PDT rule. So just let me know. 180, 181. Here it goes. Gonna go up to $2 now. I added OPK on the news. Hope you guys in there are doing it too. Add again on the news right here. Let's close this, open this, open this. Boom. Adding to my OPK. OPK. I'll buy $50,000 worth of it. Let's see if I get filled here. Added more. Roku's doing great. Yeah, I got filled. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Good job on that action. Yeah, so I try to help out everybody, guys. You know what you need to check out? Right on this page right here on my website, MOJODayTrading.com.
Wow! 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 That's awesome!
I have under the swing trading tab every single newsletter pick from July of 2019 until March of 2020.
Dude, you just nailed it. Oh, nailed it!
702% on iBio, 646 on Sava, 640 on Codex, 500 on Trill. Click right here in the middle for the newsletter. It'll open it up. You can see every single pick. There's 216 slides, guys. Go ahead and enjoy the Ken Slim system of picking stocks the Mojo way. That's what I do. Check that baby out. So let's see what the news is today. Besides that OPK, Dow rises 375 off Monday's steep sell-off. Yeah, we know that on the Corona. All right, let's see what they got to say. They got to say the stock market boosted after Monday's deep sell-off. Trump talks coronavirus response. Okay. You got to love when Trump comes on TV and talks, because the market rocks all over the place. You know, there's so many stocks to trade, like I said, guys. Boeing and all these. There's so many stocks. It's just crazy. You can't do them all. So that's that news. Stocks jumped Tuesday, offering some respite from 3,000 point drop. So what happens is this, guys. It's a little unfair. You know, they're giving people money in the restaurant industry. Trump's filling some pockets, man. So let's say right here, the Dow is, when Trump came in office, was 15,000. Okay, so if you divide 3 into 15, is 20%. Okay, at 20%, the market's closed for the entire day. So this is what it kind of like should be in this range. But I think anything over 1,000 points, the market should shut off. It's like being auto closed for trading. You're just done for the day. You regroup, you come back the next day. Plan of attack. Okay, now the market's 25,000. And it goes down 3,000 points. 3 divided by 25 is 12%. Has to be 15% for the market to halt. Again, only halted once at 7. So it's really not fair that it can go down and destroy so much, because it's based on older days numbers. It's like this example. Every time I pull out on the highway, Okay? Every time I pull up onto the highway, every single time, dude, every time I go 75 miles an hour. Every time. But all of a sudden, dude, I just got pulled over and got a ticket. Because I went through this one area of town right here in between these two lines that the speed limit was 55. Dude, that's years ago, bro. They needed to change it to 75 because that's like the norm, and people won't get in trouble if they go 65. But even at 65, you're 10 miles over. So it leads to trouble. They need to change the speed limit for the markets. You know what I'm saying? And control it. Damn them. They're creating more problems. You know what's the worst? Is when you're desperate, you're beaten up, and you need money, and someone just goes, "Okay, here's money. Here's $1,000." You're not going to spend it on the business. You're going to spend it on yourself. You're going to put it in. You're not going to use it on the business. And how many times have you been desperate, broke? Someone handed you a little handout, dude. That thing's gone in a day. What are you going to do tomorrow? You already wasted it and used it. No one's giving it to you again. So there ain't nothing they're curing with this problem. People just need to freaking lower the income, lower the taxes, lower the PDT rule. Let anybody trade that has any money to make money come into the market. What do you think? You need to have $25,000 to be sophisticated to come into the market? Tell that to every millennial. They have no idea what you're talking about. They're like, how come I can't trade the stock market? Every time I try to trade, my broker firm that I have the account, they don't let me, and it's breaking the rules, and they restrict my account, and it sucks. Yeah. And it sucks. Yeah, you have to do both. You have to have a day trading account with PTG and this TradeX platform that I trade on for $3,000. You get 10 to 1 leverage. So they give you 30,000 to trade with. And then the other money put into like TD Ameritrade or something like that and swing pick the newsletter. You can do the demo challenge and I can coach you. Please watch this video. Please watch this video I made for you. Watch right here. Go ahead, let me know when you're done watching it. Let me know when you're done. I get you firm capital to trade, and you do both, day trade and swing trade. Check it out right there. There's step 1 and 2, but you can have both. You can have for $149 the combo pack, and then just do the platform. But check that out. I give you the coronavirus special right there. Yeah, check it out. And it's not the March Madness special, guys. It's the Corona. It's the Corona. See the Corona little bug virus up there? That's what it is. So yeah, that would be amazing. Check out that video right here. Click on this right here. Watch that video. How come my speakers aren't going? Looking at his trades. There we go. He knows we're going to review them. He knows every time he presses them, it's like, shit, Mike's going to talk and show me about that. Better ask somebody. That's the whole purpose of it. That's what having a coach and a mentor is all about. And that's what I'm doing right here. And I want to do the same for you. So if you go to MOJODayTrading.com and you come up here to the challenge. Check that out, baby. That's awesome. Along the lines of drinking age and buying cigs, PDT without restriction for age, you just don't have enough money. Yeah, it's unbelievable. Go vape your head off. Yup. Yup. Absolutely. But otherwise, it's a good day. Otherwise, it's a good day. Let's check out what else is happening in the how coronavirus testing will work and who will do it. Confirmed cases of coronavirus in the US. Guys, look at this one. This is a good article right here. This one right here. Confirmed. Here's how the coronavirus will work. Let's see. Let me get this one ready. So this one's going to go out at 3:15. So the confirmed coronavirus cases, there's 4,000 confirmed cases. And out of the 4,000, guys, 2,000 of those people have gotten better. 85 deaths. But it's wrong, not 17 have recovered. Half of the people, 48%, recover. This is wrong. That's a wrong fact. FDA has now approved 2 methods of testing swab samples, with several more in the queue. The first test rolled out require multiple swabs to be taken from the back of the throat, which are sent through a logistics lab to be tested. The swab themselves can be taken at any health facility. Quest Diagnostics and LH began offering the tests. Right here. These are 2 companies. DGX and LabCorp. These are 2 to own. So that's a test right there. That's pretty good. DGX is $83.17, down 3. And LH is up $1 at 122. One's up, one's down. But both of these are good. That's how testing's going to work. Coronavirus hits retailers. Yep. Trump may have to uncork 1 trillion coronavirus relief. That's a lot of money. $1 trillion he's doing. Amazing. Waste of money. No, he doesn't think so, though. Trump's a good businessman. If Trump don't think so, then, he don't have to think so. Let's see what we got. All right. Schedule 3:30. What else? Moderna rockets. There's Moderna. Rockets after dosing first patient. Ooh, this is a good one. Let's check out this, dudes. Moderna. This is a good article. This is the one we traded today, and this is why. Moderna rockets after dosing first patient with the coronavirus. Let's see what it has to say. That's why MNRA was up nicely. Adding for that one, too. One of these is going to come out and be like so up big in the next day or two. Corona shares of Morona Popona. Shares of Moderna stock rocketed Monday after the biotech company dosed its first patient with the coronavirus vaccine. The drug aims to use the natural function of the messenger RNA to protect against SARS-CoV-2, the name of the virus that causes the COVID-19. It's a new form of the virus late last year. A phase 1 study will be in 45 healthy adults. Already, Moderna chief medical officer is planning for a phase 2 study. The news sent the stock soaring 6.9%. It flew 24% to 26.49 in after hours, and now it's over 30. That's a good one. Moderna. Oh, top pot stock is about to find out how badly people want a weed pandemic. So here we go. Canadian pot. This is the stock we own. CGC. Let's see what it says. It says Canadian growth producer of the weed. Get this loaded. This is on CGC. Said it Tuesday would temporarily close all its corporately owned pot shops in the nation as a safety precaution against the corona, but still offer online orders. And then, what about delivery? Yeah. Canopy runs pot shops under the Tweed and Tokyo Smoke brand names. I never even heard of that before. Tweed. Tweed. Pot. New cannabis right here. Tweed. Cannabis. Canada's leading source for all things. Tweed marijuana offering renaming itself Canopy Growth as it prepares for the next level. Tweed marijuana right here. TWMJF. Is that even a stock? TWMJF. TWMJF. TWD. Right here. US TWD. It's not nothing. All right. Tweed. Marijuana. Old. And Tokyo Smoke. Right here. Tokyo Smoke. All right, we can't get into that site. What else? 23 corporate-owned stores in Newfoundland, Saskatchewan, Manitoba as a Tweed visitor sent Smith Falls, Ontario, the headquarters. Canopy, which has the largest market value of any pot company in the world, also said it had built an e-commerce platform to serve its medical and recreational customers in Canada, but the closures will be more stringent to the test of on which has caught the eye of the cannabis and other industries. Flatten the curve on the coronavirus. The decision marks the latest casual epidemic of global events as governments put all levels of to try to smooth the spread of the virus. They close schools, cap gatherings, or put events on hold and force restaurants to serve only go-to orders. We have the responsibility to our employers and their families to do our part to flatten the curve by limiting social interactions. It makes very much sense. Tilray's another one. All right. Pot stocks are a little in trouble, but they're a good buy down here for the long term. These stores are about to go bankrupt. Dow Jones gained 600 points. McDonald's was my pick yesterday. Everyone's going to love McDonald's. All right, that's the news out there today. Let's see what we got. AAL, 16 bucks, holding up. Codex right at 11, looking good. INO, $7 we traded through today is at 746. Moderna's 29.13. OPK back to $1.70. Roku 69. And little Vivis. Little Vivis may go again here, guys. VVUS. See, they had this one spike up right here. I've been waiting, and this may be the time on Vivis at Heinz $1. The time is at 2:56. No volume. We'll wait. No rush. No rush on the Vivis. You want to do another trade? We can go teledoc one more time here at 117, but there's a big spread, so we can't do it. Well. Oh, well. Oh, well. All right, guys, I'm doing 2 trade reviews today. I'm going to do the biggest winner and the biggest loser. Let's do the biggest loser first. We'll do a nice trade review, see how they lost money today, what they could have done to do better. And hopefully this helps them and all the other traders. We don't need the filled column, so we right-click and remove. We don't need the date because they're all from today. We just need the time and the trade right here. So the time was 9:32 in the morning. Start here at the top. First trade, buy a 500 Moderna right at the open at 29.27. Sold it for 50 cents. Great trade. Followed me on the money. Great job. So right there, you're up $250. Then you bought it for Heinz right here, 87, 95, 91, 90, 90, and you sold it at 30.10. So that's another $250. So you're up $500 so far. You're done for the day. Great job. Well, you sold some more all the way up to my 39.44. So right here, you're done with Moderna. Okay. You're still trading Moderna, sold at 73. So these trades, you gave back a little bit of Moderna. WTRH, too small of a stock. Shouldn't trade it in TradeX. Nothing under $1, nothing under $2. Can't make no money doing that. So WTRH, bad trade. You should have been done here with $500, low commissions, been done for the day. That's $10,000 a month. Instead, you lost $1,000. You traded Roku. You bought at 62.39 lower. Bought right here at 62.39 and sold. No, you bought more. You bought more. Roku 62 here. You sold Roku at 62.56. mRNA you bought here and bought more at 85 and sold for a loss at 73. So you gave back money on MNRA. GLBS too small and you lost money on it. Can't buy. It's too much commission. What are you going to make on 300 shares? It needs to move 3 cents. There's guys buying millions. Hundreds of thousands, too small. Another mistake, gave back money in commissions. Roku, you bought at 62.85 for a Heinz 63, 77.65 and 09, and sold back at 84. Great job. Great job. Broke even. Scaling did good and saved you on that one. So good job. Then NVAX, 898, 898, 898, 898, and sold 892. So NVAX, you didn't believe it was going to go through, and right now it's 917. So you should have believed it was going to Heinz. You made a mistake, and that's from the emotion from up there of losing the 500. Now you're down, you're losing your profits. Then you go buy again on NVAX, 48, 49, 49, and 50. And then you bought 64, and sold at 68. You made a little bit of money back on NVAX. Then you bought Teladoc at 126, 123, sold at 125. That's a break even. Then you bought Teladoc 100 at 30, and you sold at you bought a Heinz right there, and you made 60 cents. Good job. Then you bought Teladoc at 139, 131, 129, and you lost 9 points on this one trade. You lost your whole account. All the profits were lost, $1,000 on this trade. You sold at 28.40. You sold right there at 21.29, and you bought it at 131. 10 points. It's $1,000 loss. You didn't know when to stop. You bought Moderna again, and then you sold it for 11 cents. And that's the end of your day. You lost it all on the last trade. You should have stopped way, way up there. That's your problem. You lost $1,000 on the day. This guy made 1,000 on the day. Let's see how he made 1,000. And this is what you get when you do the challenge, guys. You're going to get these trade reviews to help you trade and get better. Nobody else does this. No one else does that. You made $1,000. You know why? Because he followed me in the room and traded Roku. That's why. Because he was following me on Roku, little shares, using the power of the leverage of the firm. This is a prime example of what every single person should be doing on the demo. Heinz 62. Yes, at 61.99, bought it at 62.07 more, bought at 20, and sold at 30. Great job. Then he did it again. 61.97, 61.99, sold 62.60, 62.65, 62.70, 62.80, and then just made a mistake pressing the button too many times there and did great. So this is another excellent trade. Then he bought it again at 63.20, dipped down to the stopping station at 62.74, and sold the loss. Sold it for a loss. After buying at 74, you need to give yourself more than 10-cent room. This was a mistake because it went right back up and you rebought at 66. 4 points. It jumped from there. So you bought it at 66 and 67, sold at 68. Then you bought it at 68, 88, more a point lower, and then you sold it at 69. See this example right here on this X was what you needed to do here when you took your 10-cent loss at 64. You shouldn't have done it. See how it popped up? You didn't do that there. So good job. Nice recovery. Then you bought it at 72, sold it at 73 for the Heinz. Great job. Then you bought it again at 70 and 69 and 69 and sold it again through 70. Great job. That's the positive expectancy on the green stocks. Great trading. Then you bought it again right here. Then you traded box for Heinz 9 at 893, 895, added 98, sold 925. This is an A+ trade. A+. OPK 17 shouldn't be really in it. It's too small. You bought 178, 178, 175, and that's what it's at now, 175. And box, you sold at 930. Great job. You made right there. User 62. User 62 made $1,098 trading that with only $30,000 into each position. That's how beautiful that is. And that's how that worked, right? He made $1,098, guys. Nice work. Really nice work. Whoops, hold on. Hate that one. No, your demo's not closed. You're not closed. All right, nice work, guys. Nice work today. Excellent job. Yeah, we settled down a little bit, man. we settled down a little bit today. The market, not as wacky and crazy. We're not up. You know, TVIX is up $8, dude. It moved $8 in freaking seconds the other day. $10 swings like it was nothing. Things are actually like calming freaking down. Calming down now. Let's see what's happening in the CWC, shall we? Yeah, it's in the course, dude. It's in the course, man.
So you're saying I can ask this cat any question?
The cat is connected to the computer. You just type in the question, it will reply. There's the answer, Tom.
You're the man! I've been looking for this for weeks.
Okay, hold on. Let me check it out a second. Hold on a second here. Check it out. I see it. See, guys, well, this stuff in the room right here is annoying. What is this? You should know better. What is that, Skog? What do you want, man? What do you really want? This is what your deal is. Here's the deal at everyone. If you're not up in OPK, sell it now for a loss, small, and move on. I don't want to hear about it again. Okay? I don't want to hear about it again. I don't want to hear about anything like that again. If you can't take it, the heat, get out of the kitchen. I don't want to hear it again. I hit 600-point winner on TVIX, BKYI, DSS, CODX, NVAX, AAL, you name it, I nailed it, dude. And you're like worrying about a stock that's down 3 cents for you. It's so freaking ridiculous. I just can't take it anymore, man. So sell your OPK and don't ask another question about it in the room. We don't own it anymore. It was sold. Done. OPK is gone. There you go. Apple's such a piece of crap. I can't believe it's still $250 a share. It really hasn't done much. This is the stock that survived the correction. Look at the 2-year. It's done nothing but a normal little correction. Now it's going to go back up and stay right in here. It's really just done a normal spike, dude. If you look back here, it did the same thing. Here is just a little bit deeper, that's all, because of the recession and the correction. But here is the same thing. Look, big, dude. It went from here, 233 to 140. So it fell the same kind of right there as it did right there. And it's going to set the next wave up, man. Will it go sideways? It's crazy. It's a good stock to day trade. We should maybe, I don't like it. Better ones to day trade. I knew Rad was going to be good again today, too. We missed that. It was up $4 today. Dude, look where Rad was. Rad was... amazing. I knew it was good. I just couldn't buy everything. Rad was as low as 924. It's 17. It's gone up 100%, dude, in a day. In a day. Let me see what I have in my portfolio. I got OPK at 179. I got Box at 950. CHRA at 224. C-Tech at 158. Domino's Pizza at 303. Papa John's at 44. Down on all of them. YI at 610. I'm up 5%. China JoJo up 8%. China Resources down 7. ECL up 4. OPK, I bought more at 176. And Clorox, I'm up 10% on Clorox. 191 Clorox is at. Clorox is 191. Really nice. Clorox. All right, guys. So today was a freaking wacky, crazy day again, man. You know, Trump's laying the whack down. Trump's laying the whack down. So nothing's really moving. GNP, good on that little GNP. Nice money. Good job on that. Take a look for you. Not coming in. GNPK ain't coming in. GNPX maybe, I think it is. I think you got the symbol wrong, dude. Wasting time. It's GNPX. You got the symbol wrong, dude. I mean, if you're going to type in the room, at least type the right symbol, man. It's like, you know how many times I've typed the wrong symbol in the room on a million picks? None. None. But if I got the pick from somewhere else and I was rushing and I jumped in a chat room real quick, I probably may misspell it. See where the swings are right here before we take a little leave. Yeah, not interested. Not interested, Fawful. So the Dow's up 647, S&P's up 91. Let's take a look where the watch list stocks went today. ATHX did nothing today. Went from $1.45 to $1.45. NVAX went from $7.95. It's at 9. It went to 10.19. High scalp 224. IFMK at $1.35. High 186. High scalp 51. Tilray at 320. Opened it. High was 320. And that's how you got those out. And Myrna 29 is 28, but it went to 32.70. High scalp 370, high scalp 50, 0, 0, and 224. 4 out of 4 awesomes today, guys. The 2 that didn't work just didn't work. Crone, I'm up 11.8% now. Got to get over 6. It's getting close. Zynga, 645 is 603. Glue, we have at 625 is 508. Canopy at 1380, rebounding a little bit at 10. FSS at 28, still down 3. ABM at 2750, only down 1 now. American Airlines at 1450 is 1611. Needed to go over 18. Clorox at 165 is 191, up 16% on Clorox. Going through 200 on Clorox. Have the $195 call sold for 2. Service Master is down 13%. Tilray down the biggest. And then Box down 5. JOB got crushed today, down 32%. This one's going to be reduced down to a 25 cost basis to hold now. So this one's going to get added on today, guys, for the third entry, 25. iFresh was sold today. iFresh sold. Delete. NXTD right here also is reducing the cost basis to 33. PTYNF is the same. OPK is the same. WTRH was sold today. Delete. We scroll down below. You have WTRH from 35 to 105 is now 71. So glad we sold it. And GLBS from 40 to 80 is now 57. Glad we sold it. Up 200%, up 100%. IF Fresh up 176%. Last 3 trades. Beautiful for the swing trade newsletter. Then we have ECL up 8%. China Resources, that's red, down 4. China JoJo up 7, Alaya down 5, YI up 12. YI looks good, went to 682 already today. Half of that's been closed. And Pessy at 475 is a little lower. Pessy Environmental Services. Then Rune, U.S. Foods 15. So this one got down. This is my this one got down here to where was that one today? That one. I think look over here. 3 of them got added. This was one of them. This is 14. This is $1. And this is 265. So this one we're only off by a penny now. QHRC's up, CTEC's up, and all these other ones. Fine. So added, that's it. These are full. This is fully done now. So we have 39 to 58. 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 winners. Not too good. But what else are you going to do, right? 37% average gain, -2. Not too bad. Average gain here, 57. Very good. So this is from 99 to 64. 35. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3 wrong. 32. Has anybody else have a month like that? 91%, 57%. Look, here's my other thing. Look, you don't think I'm up that much? And here's my stock hoot. 111,000 cash available, up 92% month to date. And for the year, I'm up 76%. Who else do you know? This is on stock hoot. I have this model portfolio for double track and verification purposes. If you want to see what I'm doing right there, up 92%. How'd I get 92% with a lot of losses? Look at all my losses. I lost on GNC, 61%. I lost 28 there. I lost 38 there on DIA. Some of these wouldn't take me out at the time. See, that hit stop losses. Look at on all these. And with those losses, I'm still up huge because I hit iFresh 120. This one for 118. This one for 140. This one for 117. So that put me up 92% for the month. I could take a lot of losses, hit my stops at 20%, but the ones that are up 100 by far outweigh that. The charts aren't working in the room for some reason. My thoughts on Tesla, it's a piece of damn shit unless you're up on it, Ed. If you're down on it, sell it immediately, kick yourself in the ass, journal it, and reprice it, or you're done for the day. That's my thoughts. Do they ever change, ever? I don't think so. Absolutely, guys. You want to see a helpful little tip, guys? Show you a little helpful tip for the MOJO. You want to see one? Let's check out this one right here and see what this one says. MOJO tip. If the trade doesn't work in the first 5-minute bar, the odds go down 50% that it won't work at all. Yup. And if it's longer than 15 minutes in the trade, it's probably not going to work. That's some good advice.
Sweet.
MOJO wants to start taking profits as soon as you're in a person. Spidey senses. The guy inside your head says, oh, look, great profit. Start taking profits. MOJO averages 250 large trades a month, 10 per day. Average scalp, 15 cents. Take a penny less, and you're off to the races.
It has been nailed. Nailed it. Yeah, baby, nailed it. Oh, nailed it.
That's right, baby. That's the MOJO tip. Tip for the day, guys. Amazing, right? Yeah, smart man. You sold too soon. You can never sell too soon. Challenger. You only remember the ones that go higher. You never remember the ones that go lower. That's why you said you sold too soon. Mark your last 10 trades or 10 next trades and watch. After you sell, 8 of them will go lower, 2 of them will go higher, and you'll only remember the 2 that go higher. Could I say it again? I'm writing it down. I don't even know what I said, free faller. I don't even know what I said. But what I probably said, nailed it. Percentages remain exactly the same. I don't know what you're talking about. What percentages? On the 5 minute? Yeah. If you're in the trade for 5 minutes and it doesn't work, it goes down 50% that it's going to work at all. After 15 minutes you're in the trade, it ain't going to work. You're out. That's it. So, if you're only doing 1 or 2 stocks and they're not working, you can waste 45 minutes and not make any money. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So you want to keep on moving on because the best hour of the day is the first hour. So you want to take advantage of as many hands as you can in the first hour. You want to fold, 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 fold until you get the pocket aces. Why the hell do you want to stay in OPK, ace 3, and the flop is ace jack, and you're freaking, the guy's betting with you, dude. He's got ace jack. He's got ace queen. He's got your ace 3 beat. Fold the freaking hand and go to the next hand. Get your pocket kings. Get your queens. Get your pocket aces, bro. Move on, dude. It's variance. It's a tournament. It's a sit and go. You're down for an hour to make money. Don't freaking sit in one hand. No, dealer. I don't want the next hand. Please, I'll just stick with my piece of shit OPK. Dude, fold. Throw me a Roku pocket aces, bro. Thank you, man. Here's tip the dealer, dude. I just won in 5 minutes. 2 points. Thank you. Glad I got out of that piece of shit on the other table and folded that hand. Look what came next as soon as I folded that baby, right? Then you take your chips like this and you're like, dude, I'm a badass. Look. See? Look, I just got filled. You hear that beep? Did you hear that? Beep. When I get filled on. Sold. I just sold that a little bit more. Just liquidated some position. All right, what do we got? So we got this guy Smoochy Doochie in the room. I bet I just scared the pants off of him. He left. Yup, see, dude, he left. Schmozy. That was his name. Let's see if we can find them. Here he is, Sumbos. Sumbos. Later. Out of the Mojo room. I need that like a hole in the head. So everyone here is here. These are pro traders right here that have already made money and done for the day. 90 of them. Become a pro, guys. Be done for the day. Pro traders still hanging around and in the game watching right here. 60. And master traders, 23. And Mojo up at the top. Thank you very much. Been a great day. TVIX up 14 points, still 2.5% to 607. Some amazing stuff. Damn, Tilray went pretty low today at the open, just like JDST. Check out the stock, JDST. JDST right here yesterday was $42.50. Today, the low was $4. $4. Yeah, screenshot that tip, baby. There you go. See how you do it, boys? Mojo tip. You get those in Mojo University, free fall. All you got to do is go through the course, you know. That's the tips are in Mojo U. Absolutely. You cool? Cool.
Awesome. That's killer. Awesome. Awesome. Awesomeness. Oh, yeah. Pour it on. That's awesome sauce.
Mm-hmm.
Sweet.
You have a folder. Nice. You should. It's your business. If you don't, you're silly not to. You know what's silly? is trading with me in the room. This is what's silly. Trading with me in the room and telling me about your loser after the trade. That's a freaking joke. What the hell am I supposed to do? Why didn't you tell me about the trade before you went into it? I might have told you don't. Why would you get one lesson from me on the range, sign up the first day, I take you right on the range, I show you some great stuff, I say, look, I'm going to drive the cart. I'm your coach. I'll tell you exactly what club to hit, when to hit it, and how to hit it. Sometimes you got to hit a draw, a fade, or hit it. You know what I'm saying? So all of a sudden, dude, you come back to the cart, you're like, dude, I just shanked it in the water. I'm like, dude, what the hell are you doing? Why are you telling me about the shot after? You should have gone up to the tee with a 3-wood, not a driver. Played the right side of the fairway because the water's left. Play it safe. And you're dead left because there's a tree there. You can't even advance your next shot. So you don't even know about that. I would have told you not to do it at all. Why are you not? I'm in the cart, dude. I'm watching. I'm your coach. You're going up. You're run. I'm going to the bathroom. I got to take a pee. You come back, you're like, dude, I just shanked it in the water. I'm like, dude, I just thought you went to take a piss. Why'd you have to bring your club and get up on the tee and take the shot, man? What the hell are you doing? It's an exercise of nauseousness. I don't need that. Got my time dedication to help you out. If you don't utilize me, that's your mistake. You're going to be knocked out of the game and say, damn. You're like, oh, I didn't want to bother Mike. He's busy. What, are you kidding me? I do nothing all day. I'm sitting here watching, dude, helping, training. Got 4 monitors open, got 3 over there, got that one over there. Everything's making money. I'm fine. Now you got to make money. Damn. Come on, guys. Get with the game. Get with the game. Codex, end of the day move right here. Long, Heinz 11. Codex got a nice little whopper chopper right here. Strong base. Very little risk. You got very, very little risk in here. So here's your stop. Right there. And you got a popper above this to 1150 and higher. On Codex, looks sexy, man. Really sexy, dude. Loving the freaking Codex. Loving it here. End of day. With a tight stop. Do I have anyone watching my show? Yeah, I have 2 people. Thanks for watching. 2 people. My 2. And they're the guys from my room. Close. I gotta check this order right here. I gotta log in. Give me a second. Bada boom, bada bing, bada boom, bum, boom. Got orders in. Did I get filled? Yup. That's it. Close. No positions. You gotta like when you open up the platform, you got nothing left. All the positions done. Done. Well, let's see what's trending on Twitter. All right, guys. So we have right here iBio, Sava, right here's the Swing Trade newsletter, guys. Take a look at that, man. A lot of people are doing. I gotta like that. This retweet with a comment. This is a must see. See right here? Let's see. This is a must. Let's see what must says. That's a mustache. Must see. Which one do I like? I like look. That's a good one with the big eyes. Not really going doing me good ones here. How about Snoop? Nah, how about Martha? Martha Stewart today. She's wise. Yeah, there we go. Check out what these guys already know. They got the mojo. See that, dudes? Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Check that badass out right there. See? That's my tweet, mama. Look at these Look at this Twitter, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Allen today. Look at that. Fonty. You better believe your damn name will be on this list just looking for capital. I got your capital, bro. Right here. I got your capital right here. With the Mojo Challenge. That gets you 10 to 1. That right there, dude, gets you 10 to 1 leverage. Let me show you right now. LOGM. Check out LOGM. Log me in. LOGM, guys. Check that one out for a second. So right there, no food. I got you going, man. Right there. I got you going. Don't worry. IFMK did sick. LOGM. Forget about it. Don't even bother. Don't even bother. And no one's listening and paying attention. It doesn't matter. Forget it. All right. I'll take my $10,000 and call it a day. No participation, no love, and no action. So I got to say peace. Keep it profitable. I'll see you tomorrow morning, guys. Have a great night because I'm just a freaking mojo killer.